Uses and benefits of peppermint oil. Benefits: relieve muscle and joint pain, sinus care and other respiratory benefits, seasonal allergy relief, increase energy and improve exercise performance, alleviate headaches, improve IBS symptoms, freshen breath and support oral health, promote hair growth and reduce dandruff, relieve itchiness, repel bugs naturally, reduce nausea, improve colic symptoms, boost skin health, sunburn protection and relief, potential anti-cancer agent. Now foods, essential oils, peppermint review. Description: 100% pure. Mentha Piperita. Purity tested, quality assured. Suggested use: Energizing Blend, add 1 drop each of peppermint oil and rosemary oil along with 2 drops of cinnamon oil to a diffuser and enjoy. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: 100% pure peppermint oil. Warnings: natural essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with skin or eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.